Hello and welcome to another exciting episode. And today I spot Miss Eka, and she's the business developer from the company Primary Health. And what they do, what kind of value addition they are doing through their business. And over to you, Ekta. Introduce yourself and talk about your product.
Thank you. Thank you, Rajan. And thank you for, I think, recording in this podcast. I think I'm very happy to be here. And I'll just introduce myself that I am working with this organization called Primary Health Tech. And I'm the core team member of this organization. And the vision this company carries is that we are trying to solve a problem which at the primary health level and which majorly like big players are trying to solve. But being a startup, we are the first made in India diagnostic device company who has made a portable and battery operated device which does not need the electricity to run the device, which do not need the high capex investment to be carried on. You can just carry this device in your hand like a briefcase, and the test can happen right at the doorstep of the patient. So the realization of this problem happened to my founder when was like we realized that even like there are 6 lakh villages in India, and in these villages still the accessibility of healthcare is a major issue. So what happens is that people have to travel far to get the doctor consultation, or the doctor comes to them even like once or twice in a week at max. So when the doctor comes there, these people have to rush to the doctors and then get themselves tested, and then the doctor writes test, and then these people have to travel far away for the test, and the treatment gets delayed by 1 week. When the doctor will come the next time, then the reports will be seen by the doctor and the treatment will start. So that's what we spotted this problem, that why can't we have the laboratory right on the spot where the doctor can test the results and get the results within 30 minutes. So this is what my device is doing. We are doing all these tests called your liver profile, kidney profile, your lipid profile, your hemoglobin for anemia, for diabetes, we are doing glucose, HbA1c also for that matter. All these tests can happen right on the spot within 30 minutes with the same accuracy with the big machineries are giving, like J&J, Roche and Siemens, these machines are giving. Why I'm so confident in telling this? Because I have got the all the validations done by ICMR and AIIMS Delhi. It is not me or my device who is saying this, but we have done 2 lakh clinical trials on this device, and that's just how we have achieved this accuracy. We wanted to make this device like on 3 things. Number one is accessibility. So we wanted this device to be accessible by, like in extreme mountaineers in Leh Ladakh or in Himalayas, and we wanted to make it affordable also, so that every villager can get the quality diagnostic which they deserve. Then the third one is the, of course, the accuracy part, which I have already explained, that we have done this many clinical trials and we have achieved the accuracy at par as per the gold standards. So now we are happy, and we are happy to serve the people now. We have already deployed 200 plus machines pan India. We have started our commercial since last year, and now we are partnered with various CSR foundations, with the various teleconsultation clinic, digital health providers, mobile medical unit providers. So that's how we are trying to reach out to each and everything.
So, where this idea came from, and how your founder started this?
Basically, Mr. Sahil Jagnani is our founder, and he was a visionary always. He has been a visionary. So he started working on this product when he realized that there is some need, because he belongs from Rajasthan, from Jhunjhunu district, and where he could see himself that the accessibility was a problem for when he was a child, and for his parents who are still living in that area. So that's how, and he has got some of the relatives who have been identified, diagnosed with cancer, which has been diagnosed at the late stage of cancer. So he started working on this thing, that he wanted to diagnose the cancer at the primary stage. That was the whole agenda behind, like when we initiated this project, and he identified a protein also for that matter. Like he has kept it under R&D. It is still under R&D. On the other side, parallelly, we started working on these NCDs, non-communicable diseases, which is like your liver profile and kidney profile. So in villages, there are multiple people who are suffering from kidney diseases, who are suffering from heart diseases, but it's just that because these people are not willing to go out to the city to get themselves tested and getting diagnosed with the kidney diseases and heart diseases, that was also the vision behind developing this product, that why not take this product to themselves so that they need not to travel anywhere and we can test them. And we want to work it towards the preventive healthcare. We do not want to be like in the curative segment. We want to work on the primary healthcare center where we can prevent, and we can actually prevent the burden which is if you will see in the cities also, majority of the hospitals are burdened with the heart patients or dialysis patients. So in villages also, we see that okay, their have lifestyle, of course there is there that in natural calamity they might have less issues than city people, but still they have. There are evidences in the NHM studies that NCD is a major problem in the remotest part. So that's what we have been working upon, and we are building it more and more accessible. Like we are adding more and more tests into there, so like thyroid and like hormones, vitamins, all these tests we want to do in the right, like one device, just this device will be necessary to conduct the test. That's it.
Great, good to know that. And what are the cost of this device?
So, Rajan, the cost of this device is very minimal. I would say it is 1/10 of the cost of the which is in a traditional lab takes. In fact, 1/20th of the cost. If your laboratory setup takes like 30 lakh, 40 lakh rupees, or 20 lakh rupees, it is 1/10 of that cost. Like which we have put one checkpoint that my device will be operated by a lab technician. If as a patient you would like to procure my device, I will not give it to you because it has certain compliances that we need to follow because it is about the health system. So an operator, a lab technician would be required to operate this device, who will withdraw your blood, do the testing and give you the test results. So I can assure you this will be the minimum cost which your any nearby laboratory is giving out to you. But yeah, we have a long way to go. We are adding more and more tests, and yeah, my device is now ready. And thank you.
So, tell me more about the challenges, current challenges in the medical domain, and how are affecting your business, and what business opportunity do you see as a business developer in the company?
Okay, so the challenges are of course huge. Made in India devices, number one is the adaptation, the acceptability of the doctors, of the lab technicians. It is still not there because when we say okay, this device is from US or UK, people are like okay, they don't want to go into the um like the minute things that whether these results are accurate or not. No, they are just like, okay, if this is a branded product, we'll go ahead with this. Even for the Chinese made products, like made in India Chinese product, there are multiple hospitals, multiple clinics who are using Chinese devices. And they are not questioning any compliances, regulatory, or like what kind of accuracy they are giving. So that is one challenge what we are facing. The adaptability, of course, the market acceptance. But we are sure that we will be soon converting it into like more and more adaptability because we are working with the accuracy, and that's what will drive us to this. And the scopes, the scale which you asked, Rajan. So I'll tell you that in India we are 142 crore people. Okay, for every 1,000 people there is one single doctor. So if all these doctors will use my device, you can imagine that how big can it can be. If I'll say even 1% of it, then also, like I'll be cracking approximately 1 lakh people, 1 lakh doctors for that matter. So that's what I am aiming for, that if these doctors, like even the doctors who are not willing to go out to the villages, and because they know that there are lack of facilities, so with the help of my device, they can get all these facilities right at their clinic. They can do the testing within their control. They do not have to doubt the results from the different laboratories. They can do the testing right there on the spot in front of them, and then the treatment can start right on the spot.
Where is we can find your clinic?
Okay, so the clinics right now, we are working with few organizations. So we are present in Odisha, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh, Northeast में Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura. These are the locations where we are working. We are in Delhi. We have one or two hospitals there, and then majorly in Maharashtra also we are aiming for. Odisha is the sub branch of ours, and then Guwahati, of course, because we are originated from Guwahati, IIT Guwahati, so we have our presence there also.
That's great. And one message to your stakeholders or partners or customers.
Sure, though we keep interacting with them and we keep passing on the messages, but thank you, Rajan. I think with your platform, it will be much visible to them. So I just want to pass on this message because I can feel this product. I have the confidence in this product, and then I can assure them with this coming future, we are going to develop it more and more, and this is going to be India's first diagnostic device, but it is going to be the India's first device which will be available at any of the clinic, and it will transform the diagnostic. It will transform the diagnostic culture itself, and that assurity I can give in to my stakeholders.
Great. And would you like to share one book or movie recommendation?
Okay, there are multiple movies, of course, which I like, but I'll tell you the recent movie which I've seen, the Founder. That's the movie which has got the meaning. So, of course, for I would say India needs more entrepreneurs. India needs more innovations, and that's how we can. I'm not sure in how many years we'll be able to come parallel to China, but at least for ourselves, with made in India products can be only innovated when entrepreneurs will be boosted. So this movie has, of course, motivated all the founders that consistency, no matter how many experiments you will fail, you will be successful at the end of the day. You need to just work out on the right strategy. So keep yourself consistent, keep yourself motivated, and just keep working towards the right goal.
Great. And Anita, it's been pleasure talking to you, and wish you luck for your future endeavors. And I can say this product can be the revolutionary in the medical domain.
Thank you so much, Rajan, and thank you for your platform, and I wish you all the best for that. Stay tuned with Business Club TV for more business insights. I would say Rajan is a wonderful person, so keep connected.
Thank you so much.